Hello guys. In this video we learn about panda facts, and in the last we will asking question about this video. Let's see how much you remember. Pandas are easily recognized by their black and white fur, with distinctive black markings around their eyes, ears, and limbs. Pandas live in the mountain ranges of central China, where they rely on dense bamboo forests. In fact, the name for pandas in China, daxiangmao, translate to giant cat bear. Pandas are primarily herbivores, feeding almost exclusively on bamboo. Occasionally, they may eat other plants or small animals. They also eat pumpkin, kidney beans, and wheat. Giant pandas can eat up to 12 kilogram, 26.4 pounds, of bamboo per day. Pandas have two main hobbies: eating and sleeping. Giant pandas spend 12 to 16 hours a day eating bamboo, and the remaining 8 to 12 hours asleep. Their movements help disperse seeds and support plant reproduction. Giant pandas poop around 100 times each day. Panda feces act as a natural fertilizer, enriching the soil with nutrients and supporting plant growth. Their large, strong jaws and teeth are designed for crushing bamboo. Pandas have a pseudo-thumb, an extended wrist bone, to help grasp bamboo stalks. Pandas are solitary creatures, each having a large home range of 3 to 10 square kilometers. Female pandas are only fertile for 2 to 3 days each year. After mating, they usually give birth to 1 or 2 cubs, with one typically surviving. Cubs are born very small and are completely dependent on their mothers. Giant pandas have unique camouflage. The light fur is good for blending into snowy environments, while their dark eyes, limbs, and ears help them blend into shadows when it's sunny. Giant pandas' eyes are similar to cats' eyes. They can climb to elevations as high as 3.9 kilometers. Giant pandas climb trees using their claws and head. They're also good swimmers. They do enjoy splashing. Their population was once as low as 1,000. But conservation efforts have helped increase it to about 1,800. China has established panda reserves to protect their habitats. Red pandas are smaller than giant panda. Red panda has fox-like face with a sharper snout and large pointed ears. They also feeds on bamboo. It also eats fruits, acorns, berries, insects, and small animals. Pandas are classified as endangered due to habitat loss and fragmentation. How much bamboo does a panda eat in a day? Gram, or 26.4 pounds. How many cubs do pandas usually give birth to after mating? One or 2 cubs. How many times a day do giant pandas poop? "100 times each day." What are the 2 main hobbies of panda? Eating and sleeping. How many hours do pandas usually spend asleep each day? 8 to 12 hours. Our panda is a good swimmer and climber? Yes. Who is more endangered, giant panda or red panda? Red panda.